Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing great.
Almost forgot my microphone. Okay, now I'm ready. Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing what I got at Colourpop because I did a repurchase of my makeup products that I ran out of that I love from Colourpop. So I had to get new ones because I ran out of it, and I wanted to do the unboxing and the try on and show you what I got. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Here is the box, and if I'm not mistaken, didn't boxes had like Colourpop written on them? I kind of remember that. This one doesn't. This is all white. So I don't know if that's real or am I just inventing it? I don't know. I don't remember. So I decided to record this because I know where a lot of us are just fed up with buying new makeup all the time and testing it out to see if we like it, if we don't like it. Sometimes 50% of the time or 60% of the time you end up hating it because that happens to me constantly. And I hate when that happens because not everything that goes viral is good. So I just love repurchasing stuff that I already know that I love, and when I run out of it, I want to get more. So this first thing is the eyeliner. They're gel eyeliners. This one's in black. I ran out of that months ago, and it's like the best black they have because it's very long lasting. It doesn't irritate my eyes at all. I still have a couple of their other colors, like so many cars today. I have one that's like burgundy, another one that's very similar to that one, but more on the purple side. And I think I have a blue one and the one that's kind of beige. It's like a nude color. I love those. And finally got the black one that I needed. This is the one that I use the most, so I'm super excited for this one. The next item I repurchased is the Colourpop Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. If you've seen my videos in the past of makeup content, you would know that I love this tinted moisturizer. Now I couldn't remember this is my bad, I couldn't remember the shade name that I got last time, so I was guessing, and I think this was going to be a little bit darker. Let's see, this is light 8N. I can't remember the one that I used to have, which was like perfect. It does look a little bit more tanned, but I'm still going to use it because this is very light coverage. If you're not into a very light coverage, you're probably not going to like this, but I just love this for like an everyday type of thing that kind of neutralizes your skin tone, covers up a little bit of the redness, a little bit of the spots and freckles, but it's very breathable and very smooth, and I love the way it feels on my skin because it's very lightweight. I just love it. You'll see it in a second. This next one is a blush, and I do love their blushes. As you can see, I hit pan on this one, which I've used many times. It's right in the center, is gone. This one's more like a mauvey pink. I think it's called Flirt Alert, if I'm not mistaken, but I wanted to try another shade because this year I want to try other shades that are not just pink for blushes, because I always go for pinky blushes, but this time I was like, no, I want to try another one, a different color, you know, not always pink. So I got this one. I already know the formula to that. It's very light, it's very matte, just like how I like it. So I wanted to try a different color, so I got this one, which is called Let's Dance. This is supposed to be a peachy color, so hopefully I like this one too. Let me open it up. And I love the packaging. It's so girly but cute. There it is. It brings a mirror as well. So I'm super excited about this one. So this is actually something that I don't know if I'm gonna like because I don't know if I'm gonna like the shade, but I do like their formula of these type of blushes. So I should be pleased, hopefully. So last year I tried their So Juicy lip glosses, and I had this one, the clear one. This is just clear, and I love this so much. It's kind of minty. It leaves your lips cool, and I love that. Very moisturizing, and I love that one so much that I was like, let me try one that has a tint to it. So I got the Hit Stiff. This one, it's more like a rose, like a dark rose or a plum. These claim to be plumping. I don't think they are. They're just minty. So hopefully I like this shade too. Oh my goodness. I guess it was open or something. Are you seeing that? I have to clean this, and then the box is right there in the box. The splat. I don't know what happened here. Is it broken? This is closed. How did that happen? I have no idea, but let me clean this. And then last but not least, I love their setting sprays. Their setting sprays are the best, I would say. It actually beat the one that I used to use, which was by Milani. I don't know what they call it, but I love that one. And that was my favorite one until I tried this one. This is the Pretty Fresh Lock It In setting spray with peptides and niacinamide. I love it. So what I have left is very little on the bottle that I currently own. So before I ran out of that one, I wanted to get a new one because the other one has literally this much left. I love this so much. Okay, so let me try this tinted moisturizer. I will not try, but to see this color, because this color is different. I know for sure it looks deeper here. Let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a hydrating tinted moisturizer, lightweight, breathable, coverage that leaves your skin looking fresh and healthy with a natural second skin finish. I agree. And it is infused with hyaluronic acid and coconut water. Awesome. I always use everything with a sponge, so that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, I think I can make it work because it is very light coverage, so it should blend and mix with my skin tone. Yeah, but it is a bit deeper. It's okay because right now I have a little tan going on, and if I would have used the other one, it would be too light, and it melts into the skin very easily. I added a little bit more just to cover the redness in here. So how have you been? How was your New Year's? How was your holidays? If you celebrated, let me know. I hope you had a great time. My New Year's resolution is to read more. So I already have a book that I'm gonna read because my husband got me that for Christmas. And I'm excited. It's a big book. It's very big. So if you have any recommendations of good books, let me know in the comment section because I really want to get into that this year. I used to read a lot in my 20s and like very early 30s, and then I stopped and I want to get back into it. I already have a book in mind that I saw in Amazon. So as soon as I'm done with that one, I'm going to purchase the other one. Adding my concealer. This is nothing new. This is the one that just dripped on my pants. Yep. Because that's how you do it if you're a professional. Let me do this quickly because I don't need to talk about this one. But in case you're curious, it's by Milani, the Conceal and Perfect. Actually, I'm going to set first with the setting spray because I always do that step now. After I apply all my cream products, I set it with this and then I go in with the powder, and at the end again I will spray it one more time, and I'm telling you, it's not gonna move, it's not gonna separate, it's not gonna smear, nothing. It's gonna lock it in place for hours and hours. I don't like it on my lips, so I take that out. This is the Wet n Wild powder, and I'm using a different puff because the pointy one that I had, which is perfect for this corner right here, I don't know where I put it. I can't find it. So I'm using this round one, which I don't know how I feel about it. Let me just quickly bronze with the L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer. This is in shade 300 Light Medium. I used to have the lightest one, which is called Light Fair, I think it was. And it wouldn't really show up. So this is the second to lightest. Maybe this one, I could actually see it on my face. Now what I'm really excited for is the blush, to see if I like this color. It's supposed to be peach, let's see. It looks like it's gonna be peach. And I love the fact that it brings a mirror, but that mirror is too tiny. I always like using my own. I'm next to a window, so you probably won't be able to see it because of the lighting. but I could see it. And it is more on the peachy side. These are on the light spectrum. You know, they're not super pigmented, which I love, is what I like. But you can build it up to like a medium tone, I guess. I like it light anyway, so I'm okay with that. But I like it, it's pretty. And I wanted to try another color, so good for me. I'm gonna quickly do my eyeshadow look using what I already own, which is a Sigma Rosy palette. Probably gonna do either the center row or maybe this one with this one and the center color. That's it. All right, I already lined my lips, and now it's time to try the So Juicy Plumping Glossy Lip Oil. It's not really plumping. In shade Hit Stiff. It's a very beautiful color. I like that color. And I can feel the mint coming through. And of course, again, one last time, the setting spray. Here it is. Everything is on my face. I love it. I love the color of the blush is great. I love this lip color, and the formula is great. It feels fantastic on the lips. If you have dry lips, it feels awesome. And yeah, everything else is the same. The color of the tinted moisturizer turned out to be a little bit deeper, but I can make it work because I added my powder, the loose powder that I have, and it kind of balanced it out, so it turned out great. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.